I will not do what she did. But I'll make it clear lang that I am not judging her half for what she did. Nagtanong ka, sasagutin ko lang. No. Because, eto ha, may mga similarities kasi yung situation namin. And I will point it out. First, my age gap na older ang babae sa lalaki. Kasi kami ni Ed, we have an 8-year age gap. That's one. Number 2, I am the sole provider of our family currently. This ends about July or August because Ed is starting a job in Cebu. And third is that one of us is a social media personality like me. My job is based on social media and both Tony and I are public figures. So this is, the things that we are the same or similar. That's why I can relate. But here is the difference now. When I met Ed, Ed had no idea who I was. Ed had a life of his own in Cebu and Manila. And he's a pilot. And he had to give up being a pilot to be with Tony and I. So I understood from the get-go that I let him sacrifice some things because he chose to be with us. The main thing is when he agreed to choose us and therefore agreed that I will be providing, he also told me na hindi ko pwede na i-refuse kung tutulong siya. How? Siya talaga ang magtataguyod dito sa bahay. He's the one that will deal with everything. He's the one that drives. He's the one that takes turn to take care of Tony. He's also the one that's gonna do all of the errands to take care of me. Even sa pagbuhat ng bag. I mean, all those things, he will do it. Because yun nga, ganun ang dapat. Yung alam mo, yung magkaroon ka ng konting hiya na yung partner mo na nga ang nagtataguyod, you should do your part. Ang sa usapin naman ng pag-cheat, eto. Sa mga mata ko, gwapo ang asawa ko. At kahit naman pangit pa, alam naman natin ang malalandi, hindi naman pumipili yan. And of course, ako naman, alam ko na aanhin naman, 'di ba? Ang paggagaling mo bilang asawa kung may mga malalandi naman sa mundo. Kaya eto ang pinag-usapan namin. Alam ko that my husband will eventually become a pilot if he chooses to be. If he chooses to enter an airline and if ever na nakapasok na siya, alam niya talaga ang rule ko. I will never post conversations, confrontations. I will never make myself a victim. However, I will make sure that one of them or both of them will be scarred and will never be able to work again. I don't care if I get another mugshot. Alam niyo naman, sanay na ako dyan. At alam niya din yan. Because ako, I have friends in different airlines. And nung time nga na yon that my husband was applying, my friends, sinabihan ko talaga. Yung mga workers sa airlines nyo, pasabihan na lang ha, na wag talaga ako. Remember recently may issue, 'di ba, yung flight attendant at 'di ba, na kapwa flight attendant kaya 'di ba yung nagpakamatay yung wife. Sabi ko, I'm not the type na magpapakamatay para sa lalaki. But I'm the type that will put you in an ER and scar you so that you will never be able to work in an airline. Because alam naman natin na once you work in an airline, hindi ka pwede magkaroon ng visible scars to your face. Eh paano kung gagawin kitang Kenshin? Ay ano yung may scar dito na anime? Hindi kita papatayan? No. Hindi ko, oh my God, I will not bloody my hands for something so cheap. But I will make sure that I will take what is mine. Meaning, I will take my dignity. I will also take my value. Meaning, if hindi ka marunong ayusin kung anong meron ka, hindi ka grateful, bye-bye. I'll give it to someone else. Somebody younger than you. Kasi ang usapan naman kasi dapat, ino-honor dapat yan at sinusunod. Next, alam ko din naman ang sagot ng asawa ko. Bakit pa daw siya maghahanap kung ako mismo pagod na siya? Kaya ako manggod, hindi ko kasi masabi kung ano ang ibang babae. Ako kasi, burikat ako day. Yun na ba tinatawag nyo sa akin, di ba? Hindi naman din siguro ako papakasal agad-agad dahil maganda ako, di ba sinabi nyo, pangit ako? So siguro dahil lami akong intel. Kaya gustong-gusto ko si Cindy Cinco, di ba? Because I can relate. Hindi lang talaga ako pwede magganyan magsalita kasi iba ako, be. But the burikat is very alive. Of course I know I married somebody younger. Then dapat, effort din ako. Hindi pwede yung hihiga lang ako, be. Dapat anytime, anywhere, dapat strike. But I also told my husband, aabot talaga ang time that akong pagka 37 o akong pagka 85 nga panuhot, mugawas jud na. There will be times that I will never be able to. Eto ha, I will never be able to perform as much as I did when we started dating. Magkano lang ba yung ilan lang bang weeks ang dating namin, be? 76 days. Pero grateful pa naman din ako na, di ba, kung ano naman ang sinimulan, consistent pa naman ako, be. And yes, may part talaga ako. Kaya inexplain ko sa kanya, sige, eto, papatayuin ko yung boobs ko pero 8 months mong hindi pwedeng hawakan. So pinapili ko siya. Pinapili ko din siya. Uunahin ko ba na papaseksi ko sa sarili ko o bubuntisin mo pa ako kasi bibigyan kita ng isa pang anak? Yang ganyan kasi yung mga usapan namin, be. Pinag-uusapan din namin yung bakit ka maghahanap ng iba. Kaya nga kung horizontal na. Iisip-isip ko naman, ang sagot ko, paano yan ngayon? Pag bika ka o horizontal, di mo sirado ang hiwa. Mauna. Kaya hindi talaga mangyayari ito sa amin. Hindi ko sinabihan na hindi mag-cheat. Uy, normal yan, be. We are attracted to other people around us if we allow ourselves to be attracted. But it is what you do to that attraction. Because alam ko, I'm not the prettiest in the room. Alam ko din that I'm much older. At alam ko din that the propensity sa mga malalandi sa buhay ng asawa ko ay, be, mamagnetize talaga, napakabait eh. Pero yun ang sinabi ko. Every time may mamalalandi na lumapit sa'yo, you have to think very clearly. Is that worth the pain you will get? Is that worth betraying me over? And is that worth losing Tony and everything you worked hard for in our marriage? Because that's really what it is. Hindi kasi ganyan ang thinking ni Patrick because pinayagan siya to think like that. Because at the end of the day, hindi naman yun first time na ginawa niya. At the end of the day, even before the proposal of marriage, ginawa niya mag-cheat. Yun kasi yung thinking, di ba? That marriage does not change a person. Ako kasi, when I married Ed, we have that. Because Ed also had bad experiences with exes who cheated on him. Kaya nga sabi ko, we both know how that feels. So if we cannot be a friend to each other at least, then we shouldn't marry each other at all. If my husband cheats on me, I will question myself. Saan ba ako nagkulang? Yun din talaga ang una kong tatanungin, but I will not think of it as making myself less. Because I will be honest to myself. Asa nagkulang? Meaning, na-lessen ba ang kiyod? Na-lessen ba ang ako ang pag-alaga sa kumbana? Mentally, emotionally, physically, financially, did I stop listening to him? Because din nagsastart ang micro-cheating, di ba? Na hindi mo nakakausap ang asawa mo, kaya sa iba ka. Di ba? Hihingi ng atensyon and affirmation. Ako, hindi nyo kasi ako kilala bilang asawa kasi you all assume I'm a certain way. Ako kasi at asawa ko, we have our own set of rules and this is how we think. Kaya hindi talaga mangyayari that I will make myself a victim because alam ko na at sinasabi ko yan sa asawa ko. Kahit nga nung despedida de soltera, sinabi ko nga sa kanya, kung gusto mong tumikim, may mga kaibigan ako magaganda na walang matres. Kasi yun din ang sabi ko kay Ed. Bahala na talaga, 'di ba? If gagawa-gawa ka at gusto mong just make sure na hindi mo mabubuntis. Because that is adultery. That will make you end up in jail. RA 9262 yan, be. So yan ang sinasabi ko. Because either one of those things, you will never see me cry over a man. Not even over my own husband. Especially if ito yung issue. Because betrayal kasi only comes when you expect a person to love you like you love them. Ako kasi practical. Iba kasi ang mindset ko kasi nung pinasukan namin to, buo na kami ni Tony. Siya lang ang pumasok. So alam niya ang dynamic namin na i-a-adapt na lang niya. Kaya nga ba siya pumayag na ako ang sole provider pero 50-50 ang movement. Actually 100%. Ako ang pera lang, siya naman ang lahat ng galaw. Because yan ang tama na ginagawa ng lalaki na ginagastusan ng asawa niya. Yung may hiya ka sa sarili mo at dapat babawi ka. Hindi ka magiging tubol na akalain mong hindi ka iiwan. Gets? Ingat! Mwah!